Nice fuzzy. Okay, we're replacing the tires on this little quad here. Now, these are the tires I got, and these are the 4.10 by 4. Okay, that's the new one, obviously, and they come with a 2 caps. Okay, so the stem caps, I got one kind of fancy one. I believe that's almost metal, but I think it's plastic, and just a normal cap. Okay, now that's the old tire that came off, and I'm going to throw that away, and that's the new tire that went on. Okay, so these are the rims here, and they fit perfectly on the rims that come off of the quad, and there you go. That's all filled up to about 22 pounds, and that's good enough for me. But all in all, they fit perfect on the situation I have, and yeah, there you go. That's my review. Thanks for coming.